Good morning, it is Sunday morning and we will have a productive day where we check off some things on our to-do list and we will bring you with us. Okay, so I have my to-do list here on my TikTok. So we have around 20, we'll see how many it ends up being. So first of all on the checklist is that Tom is cleaning the garden, and Tom is actually always cleaning the garden every morning. I will clean the kitchen a bit because it's a bit messy. Actually here, as you know, we have kind of a homestay, so we have 4 rooms that we rent out to others. There actually is a lot of things that I would like to do, but it doesn't really make sense to do it now because we don't have any guests. But for example, here in the corner I need to paint. I would also like to clean this one. As you can see, it's stuff that's falling down from the roof. I would like to change this one. It's like a fabric on top of the kitchen that is very messy. I would like to make a new sign for outside. But yeah, it's a lot of things, a lot of maintenance, having a place, but that's not what we're gonna do today. So now, oh actually wait, I can do that now. I have to order chicken. Let's see. Okay, so now I've ordered some chicken, and after that we're actually gonna drive and record a video. I'm not gonna tell you too much about this video, but you will see it in a while. I want you to see it when I post it. But we're gonna go there and then we're gonna go to another meeting about this project. So yeah, let's start here at the house and then we will drive to Dream Beach actually. Okay, see you later. So we have here the drone guy that will help us see what that looks like. Okay, let's do it. Okay, now we're done filming here and we will go to Tom's neighbor and get some help with this project. So that's our next to do. See? The guy we were supposed to meet had already gone back to Bali, so we'll have to arrange to meet him or maybe talk with him over the phone another time. It's really hot. The recording of the video took almost 2.5 hours, so it's almost already 1 o'clock. So I have a lot of things left to do this afternoon, but first now I will make some food and then after it I will check off more to-dos. Okay, let's cook. Tuna mix and tacos. Okay, now I'm gonna eat in peace. Whew, finished with lunch and now I will upload my YouTube video for today where I show the prices of groceries here in Bali. And after that I'm also gonna sort all the footage from when we record the video today. So let's get it done. Hey Simba. Simba. Hey, you wanna be in the video? I know you want to go for a walk, but I don't have the time. High five. Yeah, good, 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 good. One of the reasons we're actually here with the drone. Okay, I've uploaded the YouTube video. I'm still sorting out some videos, but I need to download a lot of stuff and it's just taking a long time, so I'm just gonna leave it like this. Now it's almost 2:30 and the chicken I ordered this morning comes at 3. So the fuck? Excuse my language. So the chicken we ordered this morning comes at 3. So before that, I'm going to clean the bedroom a bit. I'm also going to sort out the laundry, and I'm also gonna plan my food for next week because I'm going grocery shopping. So let's go. I have 30 minutes to do it. Okay, I picked up the chicken. Now let's continue cleaning. Okay, cleaning done. Now I'm gonna plan food for the week. Yay. Okay, food planning is done. So now I will go and buy groceries. As you can see, I've now been grocery shopping and it's supposed to last me the whole week, but now I can tick off grocery shopping. In 30 minutes, I have family call that we have every Sunday. So before I check off that, I will finish sort the file. Okay, I'm done sorting the files and it's still 15 minutes to family call, so I'm gonna relax a little bit before talking with my family. Hello!
Hello!
Hey Coco, say hi!
How are you everyone?
Family phone call is done and now it's almost 6 o'clock. So now I'm gonna check off to send a wedding photo from our wedding to my parents because they want to have a wedding photo that they can print out and give to my grandfather. Because my grandfather had this wall in his house where he put up wedding photos of all his grandchildren. So now I will choose a photo for him. Okay, I'm thinking this one, I think, is a good photo. Done. Already sent. Check. Actually, I realized that Tom needs to pray because it's new moon. So my plan that we were gonna drop off laundry and pick up laundry, I think we have to do tomorrow. But I already took the sheets out from the bed, so I will see what extra sheets we have. And I think that's gonna be my last to do. So let's do that and then summarize our productive day. Oh my god, I'm so tired. Okay, let's see what I've done. Check off the list. So I have ordered chicken. We have clean garden. We have cleaned the chicken. Recorded video at Dream Beach. Bought groceries. I did not buy the dog collar because the store wasn't open. Corona times, you never know. I have cleaned the bedroom. I have changed the sheets, planned food. We did not have the meeting about our project because he already went to Bali. I was also supposed to sort important papers, but I'm way too tired. It's already 6 o'clock. I just wanna make dinner and rest. So I will do that also tomorrow. Also, I didn't add that, but when I came back from buying groceries, I also recorded the budget video that I'm doing at the moment, how much I spend during a month. So subscribe if you want to know how much I spend during a month on a tight budget. I've also uploaded the YouTube video. I've sorted files, emailed wedding photo, and I did not pick up laundry and I did not drop off laundry because it's ceremony, so we will have to do that tomorrow. That's it, guys. We did 12 things out of, I will add here how many it was in total. Yeah, so that's it for today. Our busy to-do Sunday. I think because the filming at Dream Beach took so long time was a little bit the reason why I came behind in the schedule, and also sorting the files also took a little bit longer than I thought it would do. Yeah, but that's my productive Sunday. Add down below in the comments what you usually do on Sundays. Is it like you are get ready for the weekday, or do you just like super relax, or what do you prefer to do on a Sunday? Let me know in the comments, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.